Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a braid out tutorial, so if you're interested in the video, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm starting off with my hair being a little bit crusty looking, but I used the Camille Rose Honey Leave-In and I applied that to each twist and I let my hair air dry overnight. So what I'm doing right here is applying the Camille Rose hair milk to each section of my hair. I was running low, but I made it work. And I was not able to get the very first braid I did, so the tutorial is going to start here. And what I'm doing right here is adding in the almond joy twisting butter to each section, and make sure you really work it in. Please excuse my faces in this video. I did not realize how serious I look when I'm doing my hair, but I was really trying to concentrate. So right here, I'm moving in a little bit closer so you guys can see that I am twisting each strand, then continuing to braid. I feel that this gives me better definition and less frizz. If you notice that braid outs are making your ends feel really dry, I would recommend twisting your ends instead of braiding them. I've been doing this and it seems like the moisture stays in my ends for a longer period of time. Finally, we made it to the end of the video. I will say that my hair was very moisturized from using these products, but I do think the Honey Leave-In made my hair a bit more puffy or fluffy than it normally would be. So it's great for moisture and maybe not so great for definition.
Just Janea. Subscribe to her channel.